We'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for Desktop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Drive for Desktop has got some great features. We'll guide you through them and how you can use it. So to get started, we need to download and install it. Come into a web browser. I'm using Chrome, but it doesn't matter. And you can come to Google, go to the top right and click Google Apps and press Drive. Then what you can do is press the gear or cog icon in the top right and press Get Drive for Desktop. Now we brought here and you can press Download Drive for Desktop. It's now going to go and download. What you need to do is go and wait to finish downloading. And what you can then do is go through the install process. It's just like installing any other application. Run the installer and you can go and choose a few different options about shortcuts and you can install it. Then what we can do is go and open it up. So you can then go and type in Drive like so. If you've just installed it, it should automatically be open. What you can do is open up your file explorer and click this PC to the left. And in devices and drives, you should be able to go and see your Google Drive. Then what we can do is come into here and come into My Drive and you can start accessing your files and folders which are in Google Drive, which is really easy. So you can easily go and start accessing these. And of course, I can go and copy it into my computer as well for offline use. Next, to access Google Drive, go to the bottom right and press on the Show Hidden Icons button. Find Drive and you can click on it. You can then go and see activity and notifications and the account here. If we go and press on the More Options menu in the top right, we can go through here. So what we're going to do is go into Preferences. So what you could do is press Add Folder. You can then add a folder you want to go and sync into Google Drive, which is really convenient. And then you can access them on other devices and they'll just be in Google Drive as well, which is really convenient. You can come to Google Drive to the left here as well, and you can go and choose the syncing options. Personally, I use stream files and that's it. In this list, you can also go and view offline files, the error list. And if you want to go and pause the syncing for whatever reason, you can go and click there as well. That's it. There's a run through of using Google Drive for Desktop.